We have a scrub, we have powder. The aftershave comes in 2 variants, and we're going to check all of them out. I know with the whole beard, this should actually help you do the magic. Yes. And again, like I've said, the discussion I'm going to have with you is after you go and use the very amazing products. We're then going to see whether you can actually become the ambassador of these same products. So that's a journey that we should also be willing to take. So,
thank you, Robert. Of course, we cannot forget about our first love, who is Gloria.
Of course. You see, for Gloria, I have to position this one. She's getting everything else, but it's this one. That's where the journey started. But of late, you'll see how with the cooler versions of the products that we make as well, like the Sheen spray. And again, now I think I should position this because of the color that she wore. Yeah.
Thank you. And now we're going to have a small speech from Gloria and Jonas.
Hello everyone. It's going to be this big, to be honest. If it's cold feet, the cold feet is starting already. We're kind of like, do we have to do this? Do we have to do this? But after seeing your joy and the warm welcome, the flowers, everything, I guess this is a journey I have to start taking. My name is Gloria Bilungi. Most of you call me Baby Gloria. Now, Mr. Jonas's baby. We're really glad for the warm welcome, for everything. And we're spreading love to all of you. We're spreading Jesus, and yeah, your baby is engaged. That's so. Sorry, I have to be like, not so. I didn't have to do that. Okay, let me hand the microphone to my fiance.
Hello. Yeah, praise God, everyone. Amen. I know, right? I'm Jonas Mbalika. It's a story name, briefly. My grandparents used to see me those days back in the village whenever we go to visit. And I would always stay away from chaos, stay away from problems, fights, and stuff like that. So he used to see all that, and I was like, omwana oyo alina emirembe mingi nnyo era njirabika sikyo. So he decided to call me Mbalika, and I was like, abakola obubi ng'obalika, abakutawanya ng'obalika, abakugaana tobaleka. So I'm happy to be here. Thank you for the warm welcome, and I'm looking forward to whatever that's coming next. And I'm excited on behalf of Gloria and on behalf of the Movit family. Thank you so much for receiving me and loving me. May God bless you all.
True that it is simple, but to actually explain to everyone why we are here, we believe in real partnership with the people that we work with, and we are very strong on building lasting relationships with the people we work with. Actually, from the time we had the news, we had the phone ringing for both Gloria and the mother. We wanted to get the news the family way, and the family way can't be on the phone, picking it off the media, picking it off the press. So today again, it is just coming through here for us to meet Jonas, meet Gloria, have a chat, because again, this is something that we do quite often. The Gloria comes through to discuss what's up, what is going on, what are we going to do. However, this time we were like, we do not want to hear it just like the rest of Uganda. We want to call them in. However, as you call them in, you start thinking things, and that's why you could be seeing a lot of things unfold as we go, because Gloria is an ambassador, literally, I'd say, for life. I'm guaranteed to say that, because we work with her, we've worked with her, and we don't think that journey is going to end. So we hope that now we will be allowed by Jonas. That's why we need to start building our relationship already, because now the hands are going to change at a certain point, and we just want to make sure that he knows Chitenda is a good man. So, and then we can keep the deal going on, because we want to work with this one. We can tell you, want to work with you for a very long time, children, you know, with all that journey that may come with it. So for us was to sort of get the news ourselves, and we're really excited and happy like everyone else is.
Okay,
Thank you, Robert. So, all done?
You want me to be embarrassed of their own come. I'm here.
Funny one. Gentle on the shoulder. Auntie, I'm connecting kali I'm connecting kali. But auntie, this is the name I'm connecting kali.
Thank you for coming today. I'd like to welcome.
Okay, so I'd like to welcome Gloria and Jonas, first and foremost. Jolie, Gloria's sister, Madame Betty, Gloria's mom, the team from Movit, as well as the press. Yeah, so thank you all for making it here this afternoon. I'd like to formally introduce, we all know baby Gloria. She's been a Movit ambassador for very many years. And we are here to basically congratulate her on this milestone, to show that we support her, and to show that we have walked with her this long journey, and we're going to keep walking with her and a new fiancé. So I'd like to invite the head of corporate and communications, Mr. Robert Kanda, to have a few remarks.
Thank you all for being here. Gloria, we're happy to see you. And we are happy to receive the Moko to be to Movit. So we had the news, and as Movit, we have been with Gloria for a very, very long time. And Gloria has two families. So family number one had already seen the Moko to be. And we also really were glad to get the opportunity to meet Jonas for a first chat, because just like probably he's already been to Gloria's home, this is also the second home for Gloria. We are happy to receive you. This is home. This is a place that you're going to be coming to for quite a while. We are already in conversations on how to allow you to join the team, or to request you to join the team formally, so that we also get to work with him. I think today, as part of the package you'll be getting, you may not know, but we have a male grooming range. Have you been told? So we have a male grooming range. I'm actually going to become a salesman to sell that to you first. You take a few pieces, but then overall, our goal is to see how we work with you, because Gloria's family is our family, and we want to build such a relationship. This has been home to her for several years. Personally, I've known that relationship to be much longer than many of us who have come. I can comfortably tell you, you're coming to a very, very beautiful family. I know the parents personally, and we have done business together for a very long time. And we are excited. It's a day of excitement, and we are looking forward. We are going to walk the journey with you in regards to the next steps. I think we are as anxious as the public to know what next. Where are you calling us next? Where are we coming? How do we support? How do we walk the journey? And we are really glad that you're here, and I think you can feel that with the excitement in the room. And thank you for coming here. And we are looking forward to walking the journey. And again, very, very excited for you. The whole management team is excited. And over time, we'll be coming in and seeing all the rest of the management team. So thank you very much. And thank you, the press, for being here. Thank you.
Okay, so now, like Robert said, I'd like to formally welcome